Okay, hi guys. Today, so we're gonna do a giant squishy haul, but because I've been seeing everyone do it and it's just all over my For You page, so let's get this over with. First, we're gonna start with all my sugar squishes. First is this one. I got it at Jack's Squish Shop. Super good. And then next, I have this bear. It's kind of worn out, very dirty. And then this balloon dog. And then this Lego. It's like a giant piece of Lego. And then this blue duck. And then this dolphin. It's very dirty. And then this fake Nito. Nice Ice Baby, but I don't like it. And then, and then we're gonna move on to my actual Nitos. First we have this Funky Pop. This is actually my first ever Nito. It's popped somewhere, but I don't know where. Then we have a giant iceberg. It's very hard to squish. Then I have the ice cream cone in pink and blue. And then I have the pizza. And then the Dream Drop. I like playing with both and also together. And then this one's very rare. I don't even know how I got it. And then this Spook Spot in blue. And then I also have this color changing, but very dirty. And then this Niceberg. Oh, sorry, Nice Cube. Okay, now we're gonna move on to my giant squishies. I actually don't have a lot. I only have one. First is this colored frog duck. Super good.
There's
and then this peach. It's watery because it's melted. And then the pickle. It's haven't been playing with it.
Did you do your bear?
And yeah. Well, yeah, that's it. Bye.
What was